Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if Google Chrome is coming across an error message that this setting is enforced by the administrator on your web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off, just close out of any open instances of the Chrome browser on your system, and then open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a few commands in the description of the video, just copy them each one at a time. And just once you're done copying the first one, go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. And then do the same thing for the following two commands, just paste them in the same way. And then once it's done updating here, we're going to go restart our system. So it says it is completed successfully. Close out of here, and now you want to go restart your computer. And there you go, guys. If you relaunch Chrome, you should no longer be experiencing this error message. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.